Then the old lady said to the boy, "Give me your heart!" Did I scare ya? Wow, guys, what a tough crowd. Uh-oh. Roger, how could you scare me like this, huh?
Sorry, Sam. It's just I saw your little spooky night over there and immediately decided to join it.
Yeah, except I wasn't scared at all.
Oh, really?
It's not like we're at the haunted house.
Why don't we make one?
Hey, what's going on?
Hi guys, today Sam and I are going to make something really cool.
Yeah, we'll build the spookiest house of all and inhabit it with ghosts.
I must stop you right there, buddy.
Why?
Well, we won't actually build the whole house. Ta-da!
Raj, this looks like a cute, sweet little dollhouse. We'll scare nobody with this.
Not for long. We'll change it radically in the next 10 minutes. But first I need... Oh,
The rubber gloves.
and guys, don't forget to protect your tables as well, or everything will be covered in paint.
And let's wear a protective mask. Woo!
Let's get started. Well, Sammy, what do you say now? The house is no longer cute, huh?
Let me see. Interesting. As a professional crafter, I approve. But Roger, what's with the floor?
Oh, don't worry, Sammy. We'll cover the second floor with this wooden texture. That's just what we need for the old haunted house. Right, guys? Give us a thumbs up if you agree. Oh,
What a great idea, Raj. Guys, feel free to subscribe while we're working on the floor. See you in a second. Spooky, scary skeleton.
what are you doing?
Oh, Raj just scared me. I just thought it would be nice to add a few scary touches here and there.
I see. And gray paint was your best choice, huh?
Well, if you have a better idea, you can take it from here. I don't mind.
Oh, Sammy, come on! What a drama king.
Whoa, a king? I like that. Hear my command. All paints and brushes must start working.
Now we're talking. Hey, Sam, come check this out.
Huh, your designer skills are actually not bad, Roger. But you can hardly keep up with me.
What do you have there?
These are popsicle sticks. Can you guess why we would need them?
To make a spooky ice cream?
No. To board up the windows. I even already covered them in stain.
Now we'll glue these sticks from the inside part of the window. One by one.
Wow, that's quite an idea, huh?
Sammy, don't make a mess here. This way.
By the way, people board up windows not only to scare the unwanted guests away, but also to escape a powerful storm.
Maybe somebody spooky would peek through these cracks. Sammy, don't be afraid. It's just a decor element for the front door. A couple more skeleton hands, and a nice wreath will be ready.
I wasn't scared, Roger. I just didn't expect that. Look! I even made matching candles.
Oh, really? Wow, guys, he did. Just check these out. Oh, but we totally need a perfect scary shelf to put them on. Sammy, do you have any of those stained popsicle sticks left?
Yes, why?
We're going to make a coffin.
A coffin? What?
Guys, of course I was kidding around. This is going to be a shelf. Well, we put some spell books and those amazing candles that Sam made. There you go. Oh,
And what about the other furniture, Raj? Are we planning on something exact?
I'm glad you asked. I saw a few old toy couches and chairs back there. I wonder if somebody could work on them to make them less bright and more fitting for a house. You know.
Say no more! Master Samuel is a pro in all kinds of designs.
Guys, you can't even imagine how cool it is to have such a great helper in crafts like Sam.
Say what, Raj?
You're the best, Sam.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You're free to support Sam with a ton of thumbs up. In the meantime, let's make a few spooky decorations out of clay. We'll need a couple of balls like this. And voila! How do you like this bowl of eyeballs? I defo like it.
Hey, Raj, check this out.
Wow, that's so cool!
But it's not all. What do you say, Raj? Did I handle your task right?
Yeah, and that's amazing how fast you did this.
Ha! More things are coming!
Now that bowl will have its own spot right here. Great!
I'm happy that you like what I did. Phew!
Nice try, Sammy. Very nice.
Ugh.
Ooh! While Sam was trying to scare me, I made these spooky curtains. Let's hang them up. Right here. Ah! Oh, Sammy!
Finally! While Raj is busy with curtains, I want to show you something. Guys, what do you think this is?
Oh, what's that?
Hey!
I just don't get it. Ah, it's a palm tree. But Sam, why did you make it?
You're mistaken, Raj.
No, you look like a palm tree.
Don't you like my new look?
It's cool.
Actually, I made a lamp.
Sam is a genius. He used skeleton feet to make a lamp.
I heard that you found a dweller for the house, Raj. You might need a bed then.
And I have some pillows and a cozy blanket for it. It is a perfect fit for this bed, right? But before we put the bed in its place, here comes a matching carpet. Here we go. Well, how do you like it, guys?
We'll have a sofa and an armchair with the same pillows as on our bed.
There is definitely no Santa coming through this chimney.
Raj, look what I found.
Whoa! It's a haunted retro automobile, limited edition. Now we'll put our spooky car in this garage. There you go. Hop. Something's still missing here, Sam. I just can't figure out what exactly.
Let's see. Spooky decorations, skeletons. I know!
Wait, where did he go?
We almost forgot about the perfect lighting. Here, take this.
Awesome, Sam. Oh, artificial candles. I like this, but this way I like it even more. Let's put this candle right here. Cool. Here comes the last touch. Now let's check out our haunted house in all its glory.
Follow me, if you dare. Roger, this haunted house is really awesome. I can't stop staring at it.
I'm glad that you liked it, Sammy.
No, really. I even feel shivers standing next to it.
That's spooky, huh?
Amazing. Roger, would you stop that? That's not working anymore.
Stop what? I'm doing nothing.
Oh, what was that then?
I don't know, Sammy. We'd better get going. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you soon.
And hit the bell button.